cup of tea and get comfortable.
I always imagine someone actually pausing this, standing up and going to the kitchen.
Me too. And then they come back thinking, okay, I'm ready now.
That already feels like good English practice, real-life interruptions.
Exactly. Life doesn't speak in perfect lessons.
It speaks in moments.
And today's topic is basically made of moments.
Small talk.
Small talk. The thing everyone does, but almost nobody feels confident about.
Even native speakers mess it up all the time.
That's comforting, actually.
It is, because it means small talk isn't about skill.
Then what is it about?
Willingness.
Oh, I like that word.
Just being willing to open your mouth and say something ordinary.
Ordinary is underrated.
Very underrated, especially by language learners.
Yes, learners always want something impressive.
But small talk hates impressive.
It really does.
Small talk lives in simple things.
Like,
Like standing next to someone and saying, "Hey, how's it going?"
that sentence scares people so much.
Because they think the answer must be deep.
Or meaningful or interesting.
But it doesn't.
It really doesn't.
Good, thanks. And you?
That's it.
Conversation started.
And notice something important.
Go on.
That little "and you,"
It matters.
it turns a sound into a connection.
Exactly. Without it, it feels closed.
With it, it feels human.
Small talk is basically emotional punctuation.
I love that.
Let's talk about the biggest myth.
Oh, I'm ready.
The myth that small talk must be interesting.
Yes,
It doesn't.
it must be safe.
Safe is the key word.
Safe is weather.
The most boring topic and the most powerful.
Poor weather, always judged.
But everyone understands it.
It's really cold today, isn't it?
Perfect small talk.
You're not sharing an opinion.
You're sharing a moment.
And the other person usually agrees.
Agreement feels good.
Especially with strangers.
Another safe place. Work.
Even if you hate your job?
Especially then.
True.
Busy day today?
That question never fails.
And the answer is almost always yes.
And then you say, I know the feeling.
That freeze is social glue.
Even if you don't really know the feeling.
That's not the point.
The point is empathy.
Or at least the shape of it.
Let's slow down for a second.
Sure,
Many learners think small talk is about vocabulary.
but it's mostly about rhythm.
Rhythm?
Short sentences, soft tone, pauses.
Pauses are scary.
Only if you fight them.
Silence doesn't mean you failed.
It often means the conversation is breathing.
I love that image.
Breathing conversations feel safe.
Let's talk about answers people overthink.
Such as?
How are you?
The classic trap.
You don't need honesty here.
You need appropriateness.
I'm good.
Or not bad.
Or pretty good, thanks. These are social signals, not questions about your soul.
Save your soul for later.
Exactly.
And if you want to sound more natural, add a small detail.
Like what?
I'm good, just a bit tired.
That sounds human.
Because it is.
Let's introduce another useful phrase. To be honest.
A very flexible one.
To be honest, I didn't expect it to be this busy.
It sounds open, but not heavy.
Heavy emotions don't belong in small talk.
They belong in trust.
And trust takes time. And while trust is building, Small talk kind of walks next to it, quietly.
That's a good way to put it. It doesn't push.
It just stays nearby.
Let's talk about something people really struggle with. Starting small talk with strangers.
Oh, yes. The heart rate goes up immediately.
Palms get sweaty. Brain leaves the room.
Completely gone. No forwarding address.
And people think they need a clever opening line.
Which is the biggest mistake?
Clever feels unsafe.
Reflective. Simple feels familiar.
That's why comments work better than questions sometimes.
Comments?
Like, it's really crowded today.
Oh, yes.
You're not demanding anything.
You're just opening a door.
And the other person can walk through it. Or not.
And both are okay.
That's important. Small talk has consent.
I like that.
If the other person responds with a short answer, you don't chase.
You respect the signal.
But if they respond with energy, you mirror it.
Mirroring is powerful.
If they smile, you smile.
If they laugh, you relax.
If they look at their phone, you retreat.
Exactly.
Let's talk about fillers.
Like, and
And, well, you know, so.
Learners are afraid of them.
But native speakers use them constantly.
They soften speech.
They give your brain time.
Saying well before answering is very natural.
Or so when changing topics.
It sounds relaxed, not stupid.
Exactly.
Another expression that helps is I guess.
Very non-aggressive.
I guess it's that time of year.
It invites agreement without forcing it.
Small talk hates force.
It prefers suggestion.
Let's move into everyday places. Cafés.
The unofficial headquarters of small talk.
Yes, especially with baristas.
You don't need a conversation.
Just a moment of warmth.
Busy today.
Long shift?
And then have a good one.
That sentence is small but powerful.
It leaves a good emotional trace.
Small talk is often about the ending feeling, not the content.
Exactly.
Let's talk about compliments again, briefly.
Carefully.
Yes, carefully.
Compliment something neutral.
Shoes, jacket, bag.
Or someone's work, if appropriate.
Avoid comments about bodies.
Always.
That presentation was really clear.
Professional. Safe.
And if they say thank you, that's the end.
You don't need more.
Don't explain the compliment.
Yes, let it exist.
Let's talk about one phrase learners overuse incorrectly.
Oh?
Actually.
Yes.
It can sound like correction.
Or disagreement.
In small talk, that can feel sharp.
Better to soften with kind of.
It's kind of busy today.
Much gentler.
Small talk prefers rounded edges.
Nothing sharp.
Another lifesaver is, by the way.
A smooth topic changer.
Smiles. By the way, have you tried the coffee here?
Natural transition.
And again, no pressure to continue forever.
Small talk has short legs.
It tires quickly.
And that's normal.
Let's talk about leaving conversations.
A very important skill.
You don't disappear.
You signal.
Anyway.
That word does a lot of work.
Anyway, I should get back.
Polite exit.
Or, I'd better.
I'd better head out.
No drama.
Just respect.
Before we move on, I want to touch something emotional.
Go ahead.
Some people feel fake doing small talk.
That's common.
But small talk isn't lying.
It's acknowledging existence.
I see you. We share this moment.
That's deeply human.
And when you see it that way, it feels lighter.
Less like acting.
More like kindness.
Exactly.
And kindness is a good place to stay for a moment.
Because when people struggle with small talk, it's rarely about grammar.
It's about fear.
Fear of sounding strange.
Fear of being judged.
Or fear of being boring.
Oh, that one is huge.
Yes, but here's the truth. Small talk is allowed to be boring.
It's almost supposed to be.
Because boring feels safe.
Exciting comes later.
After trust.
Let's talk about short answers because learners think they're rude.
They're not.
If someone asks, "Did you do anything this weekend?"
And you say, not really.
That's perfectly fine.
You're not failing.
You're just being honest in a light way.
And then you can add something small.
Like,
Not really, just rested.
that sounds peaceful.
Exactly.
You don't need stories.
You need signals.
Another thing people overthink is pronunciation.
Yes.
In small talk, clarity matters more than perfection.
If the message lands, you're good.
And mistakes often make you more human.
Sometimes even more likable.
Very true.
Let's talk about repeating words.
Repeating,
Yes, people worry about it too much.
like saying busy 3 times.
Exactly.
Native speakers do that all the time.
Especially in casual speech.
Small talk isn't a vocabulary exam.
It's a temperature check.
I love that image.
How warm is this interaction?
And you adjust.
If it's cold, you keep it short.
If it's warm, you stay a little longer.
But you never force heat.
Oh, that sounds dangerous.
Socially dangerous, yes.
Let's touch on one more expression that helps a lot. You know.
It's very natural.
It's been a long week, you know?
It invites understanding.
Even if the other person just nods.
Nods are valid responses.
We should say that louder.
Nods count.
Small talk includes body language.
Eye contact.
A small smile.
Relaxed shoulders.
Your body speaks English too.
Very fluently sometimes.
Another thing learners ask about is humor.
Humor is optional.
You don't need jokes.
Light humor is usually enough.
Like smiling at the situation.
Or laughing at yourself softly.
Self-irony works well.
Because it removes pressure.
Pressure kills small talk.
Always.
Let's imagine a work break.
Okay.
Someone says, "Long meeting."
And you say, yeah, pretty much.
That's so real.
Very natural English.
Short, honest, shared.
That's the formula.
Short doesn't mean cold.
It means appropriate.
Small talk respects energy levels.
Yours and theirs.
And finally, let's talk about letting conversations end naturally.
No sudden disappearances.
No dramatic exits.
Just gentle signals.
Anyway is one.
Nods. Anyway, it was nice talking to you.
That sentence closes the door softly.
Without slamming it.
Small talk is full of soft doors,
And soft endings.
which is actually a beautiful skill in life.
Knowing how to enter and leave gently.
That's not small at all.
Not at all.
And maybe that's why small talk feels bigger than it sounds.
Because it teaches you how to be around people without taking too much space.
Or disappearing completely.
Exactly. It's that middle ground.
I think that's something we all need more of lately.
Presence without pressure.
Let's step back for a moment and look at the emotional side.
Go on.
Small talk is often the first signal of safety.
Yes, it tells the other person, you're not alone here.
Even if it's just for 30 seconds.
Especially then.
Think about an elevator ride.
The most awkward social space ever created.
Truly.
Silence there feels heavier.
But one small sentence can change the whole mood.
Long day, huh?
And suddenly, the space breathes.
You don't become friends.
You don't exchange numbers.
You just share a human moment.
And that matters more than we admit.
It does.
Small talk is like oil in social life
Without it, everything makes noise.
and feels uncomfortable.
Exactly.
Another thing I want learners to hear clearly, you don't need to sound like a native speaker.
You just need to sound like yourself.
With English as your tool,
Accents are not a problem.
hesitation is not a problem.
Even searching for words is not a problem.
People feel intention more than accuracy.
Always.
If your intention is friendly, it comes through,
Even with mistakes.
especially with mistakes sometimes.
They lower defenses.
True.
Let's gently remind people of a few expressions we used today.
Yes, let them echo a bit.
Things like, I know the feeling.
Or, to be honest.
Kind of helps soften almost anything.
By the way, opens new doors.
And anyway, closes them politely.
Intention matters more than accuracy.
Simple words, big social work.
That's the beauty of spoken English.
Before we wrap up, I want to ask our listeners something.
Yes. What about you? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts.
Especially about where small talk feels easiest or hardest.
Every culture has its own rhythm.
And sharing that helps everyone.
And if this conversation felt natural and helpful to you,
Subscribe, leave a like, and share it. It really helps our little studio grow.
okay, that's a wrap.
You just wanted to say that, didn't you? See you next time.